What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, we're going to be replacing the washer fluid pump on this 2016 Chevy Malibu. So the first step is going to be to remove the wheel assembly. The next step is going to be to remove all the 7mm bolts around the wheel liner.
Yeah, I just forced.
Remove the clips, and then you can remove your wheel liner.
They really lock this thing down.
Yeah.
It's like under this like fold.
Yeah.
Metal.
So when you're taking off the fender liner, you're gonna have these bolts here. You're gonna have these bolts all the way around here. And then you're gonna have a couple clips as well that you're gonna have to remove. Now it's time to siphon out your wiper fluid. So first things first, you're going to disconnect this electrical connector. It looks like this. So you're going to push this in here, or up I should say, and that will release it. To diagnose the pump, connect a multimeter to the pump connector and turn on the wiper fluid switch. If it reads 12 volts, then your pump is bad. And if for whatever reason you aren't getting voltage to the electrical connector, make sure that you check this 20 amp fuse here, because if that's blown, that will be the cause of your pump not working. You can see under the cap here, that fuse is going to be number 79 right there. All right, so we got the new pump, and when you take out this old one, you want to make sure that you check for this O-ring. Sometimes this will stay on the reservoir, so make sure to pull that out. Put the new O-ring on your new one, and we can install this now. Here's a better view of where the pump sits in the reservoir. All right, so this is what it'll look like completely installed. Make sure when you're filling it up to check for leaks. And finally test it out and make sure it works. And now it's time to put the fender liner back in the car. God damn. Throw the bolts everywhere. It's pretty close. So now there we go, nice. Pop this place. Rest.
Okay.
Should be. Don't forget to install the bolts on the underside of your windshield wiper reservoir, or your fender liner won't be secured properly. Finally, reinstall your wheels and torque your lug nuts to 110 foot-pounds. Well guys, that wraps it up for this video. If you guys found that helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for future content. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Thanks for watching.